Hey guys, it's Mayo. Welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be about how to play Among Us. So first of all, we have to go to the Play Store and download Among Us, which I have already downloaded. So let's open it. So it's not really hard to play. You just have to understand the places on the maps, and you have to see and be alert. So we are going to join a random game now. So for now I'm going to join for 2 imposters. So the joysticks helps you to move, of course, and this you can customize your colors, your hats. Now I'm going to create an avatar, which is this. Basically, if you want to invest in it, you can add pets and skins, and this is the voting time and discussion time. So we need 10 people, and this is where the chat is starting. So over here we have some options which you can be quick, like for example, if you go in crew, there are all crewmate, so. And one important thing is you are not supposed to call the people in the chat box with their usernames. So for example, this person, I cannot just go like me, Emma is the imposter, White is the imposter. That's the rule. So now we are waiting for them to start. So we are just going to go there, go to systems and start. It saves time. So guys, that's basically for the nobody has started till yet. So everything over here in settings we have, you can choose joysticks and touch, sounds are there, and sensor chat, leave game and return to game. That are the options over here. So we are going to wait for them to start. So guys, one more thing which is important is that if you give bad words, it will ban you from the game. So please try to not do it, and please don't give any personal information, because it does not come hashtags like it comes in the Roblox. So guys, the game has started. So we are the crewmates. So basically this is the cafeteria, and if you can see on my left, you can see something typed, which is actually the task which I have to do or complete in order to win, or win in sort of. So this is the weaponry area. Over here, just coming down, is the O2, and then this is okay. So we have somebody's imposter done, so they just reported a body. So voting is going to begin in 35 seconds or 40. So people are saying yellow, so we have the yellow left just right now, so cannot do anything about that. So we just have to wait until the voting is beginning, and when it is, you have to vote. So guys, the voting has begun, and I'm going to go for the orange. I feel like it's orange, so only green is supposed to vote. Okay, it's done. So now it's proceeding. Okay, so no one was ejected, so the voting has been skipped. So basically now we have to start completing our tasks. So you can feel when you enter a room, you can see that it tells which room you are in. So now we are in the storage, and we have to go to the electrical. We have 3 tasks over here. So there we are gonna start doing the task. It's pretty simple. There are like some tasks you have to complete. Now for example, this you just have to connect some wires. I suggest playing with friends. OMG. Okay, there. Somebody just sabotaged us. So over here we have to fix wirings. It's pretty simple. Okay, now because they are in continuations, you can see that it's navigating me that do this particular task. So just do that. Now our lighting is going bad, so it's navigating us in the cafeteria. Over here again we have to fix wiring. So guys, some people are asking what will happen, like they have doubts. For my friend also, it is there that what will happen if you complete tasks. It's help you like with winning if you are dead, and helping somebody just took an emergency meeting. But I'll explain it to you guys. So many people have doubted that why should we complete the tasks. It's help you win, and even if like there are very less crewmates, it will help them win, the crewmate team win. So if you are dead, please do not leave the game, it ruins the game. Just continue doing your tasks. So I'm going to meet you guys after I vote. So guys, I'm done voting and I have voted the pink. I feel it's pink. So it's a lot more time when the voting ends. So I will meet you guys after the voting is ended, and then we are going to complete the game, and I'm going to teach you guys how to create a meeting or join a particular link. So guys, just wanted you guys to inform, this video will also be coming in Hindi. I will be posting after this video, so everybody in India or some people who cannot understand English can even play Among Us. And guys, my Discord link will be posted in the chat box or description, however you like it to say, and in the pinned comment. So please check it out and join. So we have skipped voting, like not me, some people. So yes, we were right. So we win.